Are you building your career as a programmer or a data scientist and you want to know about one technical skill that can differentiate you from rest of the crowd? Well, that skill is regular expression. Assume you are working in some finance company and you want to extract information from Tesla's company financial report. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that in Python using regular expressions, and make sure you practice the exercise that I'm going to give you at the end of the video. I googled Tesla's company filings, which will take me to this particular website where you can see companies annual and quarterly filing reports. And I'm going to just apply a filter here and click on this 10Q PDF. And that PDF will have information on companies' financial numbers. I'm going to keep things simple and extract the titles of these two note sections. So note 1 is overview, note 2 is summary of significant accounting policies. Let's say you are a Python engineer and you have already used OCR to extract this text from this document, and now you're using regular expression to get the titles, these two titles. So that's your end goal. We are going to open regex101.com, which is an amazing website that I love personally. I use it all the time to build my regular expression here first, and then I use that in my code. This is sort of like a test pad that you can use it all the time. Again, I'm using this website all the time. Here on the right hand side, you will see the special tokens that you will be using in regular expression for the pattern matching. Now for pattern matching, of course, you can use simple string match in Python, but using regex is going to make your life much easier, and we'll see that in few seconds. Let's say I have a very simple string. I'm going to go to this note section little later, but let's say just for net practice, let's say this is a simple string. I'm giving you Elon Musk number if you have any questions on Dogecoin. By the way, this is a dummy number, so don't even try. Okay, here I want to extract a phone number, okay, from this number. You can say, okay, Tesla's revenue is whatever, it's not 40 billion really, but there are a couple of numbers in this text and you want to extract a phone number. A phone number is 10 digit. So whenever you say a 10 digit sequence or a pattern in your text, you want to extract that. Now this is 10 digit, but this is 2 digits. So you want to extract this, but not that. How do you do that? Look at here, /d. So any digit is represented by /d. So let's try that, /d. So when you say /d, and if you look at match information, see it has so many matches because it matches a single digit. How do I say that I want to match multiple digits? Well, you can do this, /d. Now it will match 2 digits. See, 2 consecutive digits. See, 99, 91, and so on. How do I say 3 consecutive digits? Well, see, 3 consecutive digits, 999, 111, 666. 4 consecutive digits, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this is one way you can extract phone number, because this regular expression is saying that extract any text which is 10 consecutive digits. There is a better way to write the same thing where, see, in this help, if you click on common tokens, check this. It says exactly 3 occurrences of A. So I want to do same thing. I want to say exactly 10 occurrences of digits 0 to 9. And if you look at match information, see, it exactly matched that. So this is how you use these tokens. What if I have a different number in a different format? Sometimes in US, the numbers can be represented as like this. Let's say Tesla's CFO number is this. Now this number is in a little different format, but it's still a valid USA number. If you want to extract this as well as that, what do? Okay, first we know, okay, this expression, let me just put it here. This is the expression for this simple number. Let's write a regular expression to extract this particular number. Okay, in this number we have a bracket first. So whenever you want to do a match, let's say if I do elon, see, it is matching that. So I can do this and it will match that. But bracket has a special meaning. It's a special character. See, bracket, let's see, capture everything and close. So it has a different meaning. I will go there in a bit, but assume bracket is a special character. And whenever you have special character, and if you want to do a literal match, you will put slash here. Doing that will exactly match that. And then I have three digits, exactly three digits. And see, if you have 10 digits, you do this. If you have three digits, you do that. Cool. And then you have another bracket, but bracket again, bracket is a special character, so you need to put slash here. See, this looks complex, but if you gradually build it, it's not that complex. Then you have hyphen, then you have exactly three digits, then hyphen, then exactly four digits. See, now it is matching this particular pattern. If you have anything less, it will not match. See, it is highlighting, which means it is matching, and you can see it here. So I have this regular expression for this number and this expression for that number. So how do I do OR? I want either of these to be matching. And for OR, I have this character, see, A or B. So I can now do A or B. Cool. See, now it is matching this number and that number. Now let me do the same thing in Python code. So in my Jupyter notebook, I have imported a module called RE, and that's what we use for regular expression. And I have that text here. Okay. So what is my text? So my text, I'll just copy paste that text here. So my text is this, my pattern is this, and you will do re.findAll. FindAll will find all your matches. You will supply your pattern here, then text here, and then you will say matches. Okay, see, it match both of these numbers. So this is a very effective way. Now if you want to write the same thing in a plain Python without using regular expression, try it out. It's gonna be much difficult. All right, awesome. Now let's go back to our main problem, which is extracting the node title. So I'm going to copy paste this huge code block. And again, my goal is to extract node title, which is overview and summary of significant accounting policies. So let's try this out. So to match node, you will say node, then there is space. Okay. And after that, there could be any digit, 1, 2, and so on. And you already know that for digit, what do we use? Well, we use here, see, slash d. So you will do slash d, then space, then hyphen, then space. Okay, so far we matched node 1 and node 2, and you'll see the character range. See, 0 to 9 character in my text block is node 1, and this character range is node 2. Now think about it. You want to capture everything that starts from here till you find slash n. So slash n is a new line. So anything that comes in a way before you encounter slash n, which is a new line, you want to capture all of that. How do you say that in regular expression language? Check this. Any character except A, B, or C. So when you want to say, I want any character except this particular character, you will say this particular, this carriage return. So let me remove it, and just to make things simple, I will type something in. So let's say I have all these characters, and now you want to say any character except this and that. So to do that, you will do this particular character, and you will say. So now it matches all this character A, S, J, L, F, L, whatever, but it did not match this character and that character. And if you want to do a sequence, you can do plus as well. So when you do plus, it is like one or more of those characters. So one or more of those characters which is not semicolon and hyphen. So see, now look at match information. It matched this, that, but it did not match semicolon and this. Okay, we are back to our note example. Sorry for back and forth. So note, then space, then slash D, note space, and then slash D, then space, hyphen, space. Now, any character except slash N. So you would do something like this, okay? So you're saying any character but slash N. Now when you do that, see, it is matching O. It is matching O here, it is matching S here, but I want that repetition. I want any character except slash N and a character sequence. I don't want only one character. And when you want to match one or more of those characters, you will say A plus C plus. So I will say plus. If you want to match 0 or more of character A, you will do star. So the right thing, if you have a blank title and if you still want to get that, the right thing to do here will be star. Okay. Hooray! Look at this. I have my title. See? Overview, summary of significant policies. So I matched those two. But I want only title. So my title is, see, my title here is overview. I want to extract overview and then summary of significant policies. So to match those titles, see, there are two things. One is match information, which is sort of like a string match, but you want to extract only a portion of that match. So the portion of that match is anything that start after this space. See, after this space. So you will put a bracket here. When you put a bracket, what happens is it will perform a match, but from that match, it will capture everything that is within those brackets. So what is within those brackets? See here, capture everything enclosed, meaning bracket, and after that, inside those brackets, whatever there is, it will capture all of that. So now I'm going to just copy paste this pattern here in a pattern variable, and I will say read dot find all pattern text. And see, now what I find is I have overview and summary of significant accounting policies. See, when you look at the expression itself, it looks difficult. I mean, to me, it looks difficult, but if you build it slowly, step by step, it is not that hard. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I took some text block from this document and I will extract the company financial periods. So company financial period is anything that starts with FY. After that, there is a year, and then there is a space, and then there will be quarters. So it could be Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. One quarter is 3 months. There cannot be Q5. So I want to extract from this text FY 2021 Q1 and FY 2020 Q4. So let's do this in our test pad first as usual. So I'm just going to copy paste this thing here and remove this. Okay, so what is the pattern? Pattern is it always starts with FY. So let's put FY first. Then there should be 4 digits, exactly 4 digits. How do you do that? You already know that. Slash D 4. See, 4 digits. So now my match 1 is this, match 2 is this. After that, there is a space. See, this dot means space. So space, and then there is Q, and then see, now I cannot do slash D. See, doing slash D matches this, but it will match things like this too. Q5. Q5 is not a valid financial quarter. The number has to be either 1, 2, 3, or 4. And if you look at this help, it says a single character of this. So if you want to explicitly mention your choices, what you can do is 1, 2, 3, 4. So match either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. And see, it matched these two, but this did not match. Okay, you can see this in match information. This is one way. The other way is this. See, you can specify a range. So any number in range 1 to 4. Any number in range 1 to 4. Friends, this is not hard. Stay on this. I'm telling you, this is easy. See, think about it. Take a pause. Think about this. 1 to 4. And it matched that. See, this is super easy. It's not hard at all. And I'm going to now copy paste this pattern here. And then, you know, just copy paste. And by the way, you can store this in a variable called matches and print matches instead. See, it matched both of this. Now what if there is a, it is case sensitive f5, for example. See, it's a lowercase, and if you want to tackle lowercase, there are flags that you can match. See, flags is equal to re dot, and if you read the documentation, you can just say python regex flags. You will find all these flags, and I'm going to use ignore case. See, re dot ignore case, and when you ignore case, it will match capital Fy as well as small Fy. Now, when I extract this financial information, sometimes I want to extract only 2021 Q1 and 2020 Q4. I don't want to put FY. Okay. One option is, okay, I extract this and then I remove FY character explicitly. Or you can be a little smarter kid and you can use this bracket. We already saw that in regular expression, there is something called match. And after you match something, you can extract the part of that match using a bracket. So part of that match using a bracket would be this. So I put a bracket here, and when I put a bracket, see, my group 1 is 2020 Q1, Q4. So now let me extract that particular thing here. Well, I can just put a bracket here, and you will see now I have only the information that I need. Now, instead of financial number, let's extract the actual values. Instead of financial basically periods, we are extracting the actual values for those periods. So which was 4.85 billion and 3 billion. How do you do that? Well, see, I can have n number of numbers. I can have things like Tesla's employee count is, let's say, 5,400. So when I extract those numbers, I don't want to extract this. I want to extract anything that starts with dollar. So how about we put a dollar sign? Well, if you put a dollar sign, again, dollar is a special character. See, dollar means end of the string. So it matched this thing. I don't want that actually. So for that reason, what we will do is this. We will put slash. So when you put a slash, it is an escape sequence, and now you are doing a literal match. Literal match meaning you're not using dollar in a special way. If you have a dollar in your actual string, you're doing that match, and it found these two matches. After that, you want to say any digits. So any digit is slash d. Okay, but see, when you do that, it is matching this. I can do any digit again, but now it did not match because there is this decimal. So instead, I can do something like this, any digit and then decimal. Now decimal, again, dot is again a special character, and you need to put slash here. And when you say plus, see, doing plus will match one or more character. If you do just this, it will match only first character. You want to say match all the repeating characters until you find space or something, so any digit or dot match that. Cool. You can also do something like 0 to 9. 0 to 9 again means the same thing, any digit. Okay, see here a character in this range, so I am going to now put this here and see it matched this. And once again, you don't want to have dollar sign in your end result, so for capturing group you can do bracket. When you do bracket, see in the match information, match is $4.85, but the group is 4.85 or 3, so it removed dollar. So whenever you put something in bracket, the group will have the content inside those brackets only, it will not include this dollar sign. So I will do bracket here and see those dollar signs are gone. Now let's take little difficult task, which is I want to extract both the financial period, so FY 2021 Q1 and also 4.85. You see, so there should be financial period which says FY 2021 Q1 is this and FY 2020 Q4 is 3 billion. So I want to extract both of it. How do I do that? Well, first you will write an expression to extract the financial period. Okay, for financial period, what was our expression? It was this, right? So I will just copy paste that. Okay, now after I have my financial period, there could be n number of characters and then there will be a dollar sign. So my pattern is this: after my financial period, any character but dollar. So how do you do any character, any repeated character except dollar? How do you do that? Well, you use this one, right? We already saw previously. Any character but dollar is this. Okay, so this is saying we are putting this slash because dollar is a special character, but this is really dollar, and this will say any character, and this bracket is just a syntax, and you will say plus. Plus means repetition, you know. Okay, now let me just make this a little bigger here. Okay, so we are going from here and we are going all the way here. After you find dollar, so dollar is what? Slash dollar. So see, go friends, go slowly. This is not complex, I'm telling you. Go slowly, don't get confused. Focus. Slash dollar. So slash dollar is matching this. After that, what is the expression for matching this number, where expression is this? So I'm just going to copy paste. See, we are building these blocks one by one and just doing copy paste. Okay, dollar I remove. Cool. And then you are putting that in a bracket. So as a result, what happened was, see, group 1 is this, group 2 is this. So now I'm saying 2021 Q1 number is 4.85, 2020 Q4 is number 3. So I can now copy paste this particular thing here. See, I copy pasted that thing. And now matches is this. See, it's a tuple. And this is awesome. Now I'm saying 2021 Q1 number is this, 2020 Q4 number is that. Other than find all, there is a method called search. Okay, and let's see what happens. The search has a different response where you have to do matches.groups, but here it will search for the first occurrence, whereas the find all method will find all the occurrence. So that is the difference. All right, so that's all I had for this tutorial. Now let's move on to the most important part of this video, which is I have given the link of this exercise in the video description below. You have this notebook where you need to extract few things from this text, and all you need to do is you need to fill out this blank. You need to say what is the right regular expression for this given problem. So read this problem and then try to write the regular expression, and make sure you use regex101.com. And once you have attempted on your own, you can click on this solution link. Don't click on the solution link if you have not tried it, otherwise it will download a special virus and your computer will start burning in fire. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure you practice. Practice is the most important thing when it comes to coding. Thank you.